My name is Paul Maher. I'm Works Manager for Stafford Engineering. My main job is to ensure that the customer is happy, the work staff are happy, and doing that through ensuring that all the products that go out are to the best quality that they can be.
My name is Patrick Stafford. I own Stafford Engineering and we've been going approximately 40 years. We started off working mainly for the printing industry, newspapers and printing companies and so on. And we've evolved from that into heavy engineering, machining, do heavy equipment, do up to 10 tons in weight.
In our business, there's no such thing as a typical product. This is one type of product, which is a brake shoe, which has polyurethane onto aluminium with a specific design for small wires to be manufactured.
We deal with customers that would have problems with machinery or production facilities where they are trying to overcome a problem, and they'd come into us, ask us to make proposals to try and overcome issues that they have, and we would problem solve their problems quite efficiently and quickly because we would have dealt with it probably in other companies over the years.
In general, because of the changing of products and the changing of the vaccines, there are customers that want to adapt the machine to suit the job that they want to do, rather than purchase a brand new machine. So we will adapt the machine to the specifications of the customer. So again, it's machining original parts to suit a new product.
We deliver rapid solutions for problems in industry very efficiently, and we're very good at it.